The recent reported cases emerged through community transmission, which is currently on the rise. That is after contract tracing of the reported cases, which has been put under check. The now report that too many people are unaware about this virus. This prompts us to embark on a community assessment tour. This is the Enugu community in Enugu East Council of Enugu State. Some of the residents say they are aware of the novel coronavirus pandemic.
Many people from this area will not believe there's such thing. But because of sit at home, after 2 weeks they extended it. So it's now telling on everybody, and everybody now realize there's something like that. So all of us, we are keeping to the rule.
We make sure we keep our house clean by sweeping, by keeping it neat, and dropping water and whatever you people say we should put outside, so that anybody that come in will wash hands before going in.
The traditional ruler says this government has asked them to commence massive public enlightenment and advocacy, which are done in their local dialects. It says this means has helped in effective pass of the message to the people.
This is not a virus that's being introduced by a person. It's a kind of a disease that have entered into the world that needed the global community to join hands together. So in my own area as a traditional ruler, I'm doing my best to make sure I sensitize all our sundry in the community to adhere to that rule.
It is good to note that even at the community level that is described as the rural, these people are here observing the basic protocol of social distancing as part of the rules to prevent the spread of coronavirus pandemic. As we left the Enugu community, our next stop was Enugu community. We traveled through the popular tourist site, the Enugu here, which is located at Enugu's community of Enugu State. The 4.8-kilometer long spiral-shaped road network was constructed by the British in 1908 as its expedition site. With a hill, one can access the middle belt from Oka in the old eastern region. At Enugu community, leaders say the people have been informed about the danger of refusing to adhere to the government's directives as measure to prevent the spread of coronavirus, which is now at the community transmission level.
Leadership of the community, they are very much at work. Both the PG, both the one, the chief, the community. They are keeping us very much alert.
When it first started, the town crier went around informed people to stay at home when it was announced by the government. Then sanitize yourself, your family, distance yourself from people, all the stuff.
The President General of the community says the committee will sustain the daily advocacy and provide palliative measures to cushion the effect of the lockdown on the people.
The awareness we have started creating, we're not going to stop. On a daily basis, we'll be embarking on that. We'll keep sensitizing people, telling them about COVID, telling them that COVID-19 is real. A major question to be answered remains the fact that if Nigeria will be out of this COVID-19 pandemic as fast as possible, as many countries are on the verge of announcing the day to reopen the economy, will be determined that if Nigerians will adhere to basic protocol from the United Nations that will reduce or curtail the person-to-person transmission of the COVID-19 pandemic. With more than 2 million confirmed cases worldwide and more than 100,000 deaths, scientists are yet to find a cure for COVID-19. Health experts say to win the war against this deadly virus, one should adhere strictly to the rules as announced by the WHO to prevent the spread. Bamidele Ajayi, TVC News, Enugu.